Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Do you actually know that you can make over $200 this week? I'll tell you. But before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across this amazing channel, do to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. Last week, I just invested in some few coins and I made a rational profit. And in this week as well, you can also do the same and hope to cash out Fridays or weekend. So without a waste of time, let's dive into it. You must make sure you have a verified Bybit account in your possessions before you can do this. Now I'm going to figure out or mention out some few cryptocurrency coin that you can actually invest now and cash out later. Because I did this and I made something reasonable. So the first cryptocurrency coin I'm going to mention here is paper coins. Alright, it's paper coins. The paper coins is also rated in one of the most reasonable um market trends. All right, you can see it's 24 hours reasonable, the 24 hours high, the low, and also the 24 hours turnover. If I click on 1 hour right here, you can see how this cryptocurrency has been doing. It's been ups and down. But does it now actually look that is about taking a very good movement? The answer is yes. If we check out the 4 hours, you can see that in the past, this particular cryptocurrency coin have done well, but it's unfortunate that is very down right now. So if you look at this, you realize that this particular cryptocurrency coin was doing well on July 2025. It was actually doing well. It erased a lot of zeros, but unfortunately right now, those zeros are actually back. So what are we waiting for? If you want to do a long-term investment, this particular coin is also good for you. And if you want to do weekly investment, this particular coin is also good for you. All you just need to do is to be very attentive, invest, and also wash out. So the next cryptocurrency coin I want you to look at is the TA. You can see also the TA has done very well in the past. The TA has done well in the past. That's recorded up to 0.38455. You can see this. That's recorded something reasonable in the past. It has also recorded some serious lows in the past as well. So investing in this particular cryptocurrency coin now will bring you something reasonable in the nearest future. You can do weekly investment if you want, and you can invest also to cash out July if you want. So the third cryptocurrency that gave me something reasonable last week is Gaib. Gaib also, since the very day this particular cryptocurrency coin was launched, it has never taken any serious movement. So it remains in the market with a movement called steady. It has been in the market with a steady neutral movement. It has never taken any significant movement. All right. So investing on it also will make you something reasonable. Okay, it will make you something reasonable. But all you just need to do is whenever you invested, stay patiently. Do not rush out. Stay patiently. And one of the most advice is that do not invest more than what you can lose. and you must not invest with your daily spending money so that you not get to rush to sell out, and that will now result to you losing. Okay, so this particular class is actually brief. So all you just need to do is to start your reasonable investment now and stand the chance to make a reasonable or rational profit in the nearest time. So this brings me to the end of the class. If you do have any questions, do it to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. You can see the cryptocurrency we mentioned. We mentioned the paper coin, we mentioned the TA, we also mentioned the guide. Okay, we mentioned the guide, TA, guide, paper coin. So do not forget, invest on them now and smile later. Thank you. Bye.